I have spent the last 3 months on a very simple mission: find every possible way to make money using AI. And now, after so much time and energy, I'm proud to finally present to you 30 genius strategies you can use to make as much money as possible from AI. I'm Jack Fortune, and let's dive right in. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. In the era of AI, starting a highly profitable YouTube channel has never been easier. First, begin with setting up the channel by using ChatGPT to come up with a catchy name and Canva to design a professional logo and banner. With the foundations down, it's then time to use the part of AI that truly revolutionizes content creation. With ChatGPT, you can generate captivating video titles, descriptions, and voiceover scripts all in a matter of minutes, a process that used to take hours. For a realistic voiceover, the best AI tool I have found is 11labs.io, and if video editing seems time-consuming, you can use AI tools like InVideo and Pictory to speed things up. Once you have your content ready, it's time to monetize your channel and start earning. Number 2. Write ebooks. With the power of ChatGPT, you can now create entire ebooks almost instantly. Use Canva to design eye-catching covers and publish numerous books per day on popular platforms like Amazon and Kindle. This strategy is perfect for generating easy passive income. Number 3. Sell AI art on Etsy. AI tools like Midjourney or the free Leonardo AI can generate stunning designs in a matter of seconds, which you can then transform into just about anything. From digital artwork to customized merchandise, you can sell these designs on popular platforms like Etsy. Take a look at this account, for example. You can clearly see that this design was generated using some form of AI. And, well, take a look to the side. Notice how many orders are currently in the basket? This account lists multiple of these designs on Etsy every single day, and from it has thousands of sales and makes an insane amount of money. Number 4. Write essays. You can charge hundreds of dollars for writing last-minute essays for students, and the best part is, these essays can be generated directly using ChatGPT. You can create a profile on sites like iWriteEssays.com, EssayService.com, EduBirdie.com, or even simply Fiverr. Start by charging a low price because this way you will attract a lot of clients very quickly. And once you start getting reviews and building your reputation, you can boost your rates and start earning massive amounts every month from essays that ChatGPT creates in seconds. This is a method I outline in detail in an upcoming video titled 3 Ways for Students to Make Money Using AI. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss this premiere, coming very soon. Number 5. Start an affiliate website. There are websites out there right now making millions using this exact method. And with AI, you can do the exact same. The first step is to create a website. And in just a few days, I'll be premiering a video that will teach you exactly how to make a stunning website that looks like this, all in just 5 minutes using the power of AI. So stay tuned for that one. Now, once your website is up, the idea is to write posts that promote various affiliate links. For example, you can create an article titled Top 10 Gaming Laptops of 2023 and earn commission for each sale made through your affiliate links. Just 20 laptop sales can make you upwards of $2,000. Oh, and don't forget, if you're consistent with this, 20 sales is absolutely nothing. Popular articles can drive thousands of affiliate sales on a regular basis. It's a lot easier to drive traffic to your website than you might think, which is why you can really start earning a ridiculous amount of money each month. And of course, the best part, you can use ChatGPT to generate these articles in seconds. All you need to do is create a new article on your website and paste the ChatGPT content right in. Amazon and ClickBank are 2 easy and popular affiliate platforms to begin with, but using Google, you can find affiliate platforms on just about any product out there. Good luck with this one, guys. Number 6. Write blog posts. Copy.ai and ChatGPT can be your duo when it comes to producing high-quality blog posts in minutes. Then, through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and ads, you can turn your blog posts into a steady source of income. Now, if that's not enough, there are also dozens of sites out there paying hundreds of dollars for blog posts. Why not sign up for as many of these websites as possible? I've got them linked in the description. A blogger can get paid anywhere from $75 up to $275 per post, all based on the level of traffic it receives. Number 7. Design album covers. With the help of Midjourney and Canva, you can design album covers in minutes and sell them on platforms like Fiverr. The real secret here is using Midjourney AI, as it can really help create the unique designs that customers are looking for. You can use Leonardo AI, which is a free alternative to Midjourney, but also generates incredible, unique, and stunning designs. With a competitive price and beautiful Midjourney designs, you can get hundreds, if not thousands, of sales. Number 8. Start an e-commerce website. Now, this one is especially close to my heart, as my primary source of income right now comes from an e-commerce site built entirely by AI. I have spent the last month working on the perfect video that goes through the exact steps on how to start an e-commerce website using AI, so make sure to subscribe and do not miss out on that video. Number 9. Design an app. Now this one has big money potential. AI-powered tools like Bubble.io can help you bring any app idea to life, even without coding skills. And if you don't have any ideas for an app, no problem, use ChatGPT to help brainstorm concepts. You can design the app in minutes using AI and generate revenue through ads, app pricing, or even affiliate links within the app. The potential for success in the app market is huge, making this strategy one of the top earners in our list. Number 10. Proofreading. As you all know, ChatGPT can spot mistakes in a second, and believe it or not, you can charge big money for this. There are Fiverr accounts charging upwards of $200, even up to $800 for proofreading tasks that can be executed in seconds using AI. These accounts are getting hundreds of sales. This has to be one of the easiest methods on the list. Number 11. Personal statement editing. This one is similar to the previous point, except there is one big difference. The demand for personal statements is even higher, and hey, why not offer both services at once? Accounts on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr charge hundreds of dollars for editing personal statements and college applications. ChatGPT can help you deliver these high-quality edits within seconds. Number 12. Short-form content. In the era of social media, short-form content is really the name of the game. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or my personal favorite, YouTube Shorts, AI can become your secret weapon to crank out viral hits in minutes. While I was testing AI money-making methods for this video, this was one of the strategies that made me big money fast. And because of this, I decided to create a video going through the exact steps I took to generate $5,000 in just 5 days, all through YouTube Shorts, made entirely by AI. And what's more, these shorts were 100% monetizable. I've seen a bunch of tutorials floating around YouTube teaching how to make YouTube Shorts using AI, but none of these videos talk about the important part, how to monetize and make money from them. So make sure to subscribe in order not to miss it. Number 13. Write reviews. With the help of ChatGPT, you can write detailed reviews for various products and then sell them on sites like softwarejudge.com for anywhere between $1 to $50 per review. Now, think about this. If you just manage to sell 10 reviews each week across a number of these different websites, you could be making over $1,000 per month from this one method alone. Oh, and remember, ChatGPT can do it all for you in seconds. Number 14. Design thumbnails. This is another service very high in demand. You can use custom templates on Canva to quickly generate highly professional thumbnails for clients on platforms like Fiverr. Take a look at how much certain accounts are charging. As you can see, the earning potential is very high. Number 15. Design logos and banners. Much like thumbnail designs, you can use Canva templates to create super professional logos and banners for your YouTube channels and Instagram accounts, and then charge hundreds of pounds. You can also choose to design the logos using AI tools like Midjourney. Simply add the prompts, and you'll be returned as many logos as you desire. And hey, why not offer thumbnail design, logo design, and banner design all at once? Number 16. Sell prompts. Did you know that using ChatGPT questions in different ways can give you completely different responses? While some prompts may give very bland or general responses, others can unlock really powerful answers. So powerful that these prompts can be made into templates and sold on websites like PromptBase. You can sell prompts on ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools. This is easily one of the most straightforward methods on our list. Number 17. Sell course notes. Students are always in search of course notes, flashcards, and study materials, and this is exactly where AI can come into play. You can use ChatGPT to generate these materials in seconds and sell them on platforms like nexusnotes.com and stuvia.com. This is another method that will be explained in more detail in one of our upcoming videos, 3 ways to make big money as a student using AI. So stay tuned for that one. Number 18. Career writing. This is another category where you can sell multiple products all at once from one single account. Use ChatGPT to write resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles, and sell them on platforms like Fiverr. What's more is that you can bundle them together and sell them as a package deal. Take a look at this successful account charging over $500 for these comprehensive bundles, racking up thousands of sales. Number 19. Write articles. You'll be amazed at how much you can make from writing articles. Websites such as cracked.com pay anywhere from $50 to $200 for a full-length article. With ChatGPT, you can generate these articles in no time. Check out the description for a list of similar websites. Number 20. Write children's books. Writing a children's book has never been so easy. With ChatGPT, you can generate engaging stories for children and use tools like Canva and Midjourney AI to create eye-catching covers and vibrant illustrations. Once your book is ready, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon or Kindle and start earning. Number 21. Scripting. Whether it's for screenplays or for YouTube videos, scripting is in very high demand in today's day and age. You can take advantage of this opportunity by using ChatGPT to generate scripts. Simply copy the generated script into a Word document, convert it into a PDF, and sell it on platforms like Fiverr. Number 22. Research and Summaries. Believe it or not, there are accounts charging between $80 and $300 for thorough research and summarization services on sites like Fiverr. And once again, this entire process can be done entirely using ChatGPT. Number 23. Selling planners, diaries, journals. Designing and selling planners, diaries, and journals is a booming business. Use AI tools such as Midjourney and Leonardo.ai to design stunning layouts and sell them on platforms like Etsy. I'd recommend starting at a fairly reasonable price, and as you start racking up customers and building your reputation, you can gradually increase your prices for a bigger profit margin. Number 24. SEO Optimization. Search engine optimization is key for increasing a website or YouTube channel's visibility. With ChatGPT, you can generate SEO-optimized content and then sell your services for really high amounts on platforms like Fiverr. Number 25. Create a course. Listen to this. Why not use AI to write every single line for a digital course you can sell online for hundreds of dollars? In fact, this was exactly what I did for my e-commerce website. Whether it's a cooking course, educational content, or any other topic you can imagine, AI makes it possible to create courses within seconds. You can then sell your course on platforms like Udemy or better, on your own website. Number 26. Email affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of affiliate marketing, but have you considered doing it through email? It's simple. Generate fun and informative emails with ChatGPT about any topic you're interested in, and send them out a few times per week to your email list. Every now and again, include your affiliate links, and any product purchased through those links, you get a commission. Number 27. Design book covers. You can charge hundreds on sites like Fiverr for book cover designs. You can use the templates on Canva and then use Midjourney for stunning images that can be pasted directly onto the covers. This is a highly popular service on Fiverr that you can take advantage of using AI. Number 28. Paid content posts. On Fiverr, accounts are receiving over $100 for writing a wide range of content posts. Suppose you receive a client request for content on a website. With ChatGPT, you can efficiently fulfill this request in seconds by simply inputting the exact requirements the client gave you. The service is in very high demand right now, with some Fiverr accounts having thousands of reviews and dozens of orders in queue. Imagine earning as much as $250 for just 1,000 words. Number 29. Become a virtual assistant. This one might surprise you, but many tasks assigned to virtual assistants can be automated using AI. From scheduling appointments to managing emails, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of tasks. Platforms like Upwork are a great place to look for virtual assistant opportunities, some that pay very nice amounts. Number 30. Talk to ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT can be your ultimate business partner. You could open ChatGPT with a completely blank mind and in a matter of minutes have a business plan as good as any other. Simply engage back and forth with the AI and brainstorm creative business ideas. The AI will tell you exactly how to go about each business venture and assist you every step of the way. It's like having your own genius assistant who knows it all. You could even ask ChatGPT to think like Elon Musk or Steve Jobs. And boom, just like that, you have some of the greatest business minds of history in your corner. But don't just take my word for it, give it a go. You will be amazed at the ideas AI can come up with, some with massive money-making potential. I'm Jack Fortune, and until next time, stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep chasing your dreams.